Hi, Eddie's Kitchen 친구분들. Today, I will share a delightful Korean dish that reminds me of a fresh spring day. It is acorn jelly salad called DoToRiMuk MuChim in Korean. You can buy pre-made acorn jelly at a Korean market, but I will teach you an easy way to make it at home using this acorn jelly powder. Obtain about 1 cup of acorn powder. Put the acorn powder in a wide-bottomed pot and pour about 5 cups of water in it. Whisk it gently until the powder is mixed together well. Cook the acorn mixture for about 10 minutes or until it starts to thicken on medium. Depending on the brand you get, the time can be a little different. Occasionally stir it. It is good to use a flat cooking tool for stirring because it can help you completely scrape the bottom of the pan so that the jelly will not stick to the bottom. About 10 minutes later, the mixture suddenly starts to thicken quickly. At that point, reduce the heat to low and cook for 20 more minutes. Here, it is important to keep stirring it because it helps to give it a nice chewy texture. 20 minutes later, when you pull the spatula out straight, some of the acorn jelly will stay on the spatula, and that shows it is done. Lastly, add the salt and the sesame oil. Mix it and turn off the heat. Pour the hot acorn jelly into a flat-bottomed square container and spread it out evenly. Tap the container on the floor several times to remove any remaining pockets of air in the jelly. When the jelly has cooled down, pour some water over the surface of the acorn jelly to cover it. This will help to prevent the surface from breaking while it is becoming firm. Cover the lid and keep it in the refrigerator overnight. Now, let's make a delicious low-calorie salad with this acorn jelly and fresh vegetables. For this salad recipe, we will only use half of the acorn jelly that I made earlier, and it will be about 1.5 pounds. So divide it into 1.5 thick strips, and then cut each strip into 1/2-inch thick slices. If you have a wavy vegetable slicer like this, use it to get a fun shape. To make some tasty sauce, mix the soy sauce, water, hot pepper powder, sugar, minced garlic, finely chopped green onion, sesame oil, the vinegar, and the sesame seed in a bowl. Put the acorn jelly pieces into a mixing bowl and pour half of the sauce over it. Mix it gently and set it aside while you're preparing the rest of the ingredients. This will give the acorn jelly some flavor from the sauce. Now, cut the green leaf lettuce, 상추, into small pieces and tear the crown daisy, 쑥갓, into pieces too. Cut the cucumber, 오이, and the carrot, 당근, diagonally. Slice the onion, 양파, thinly. And finally, cut the red and green hot peppers, 고추, into little chunks. Add all the chopped vegetables in a large mixing bowl and pour the rest of the sauce over them. Mix them gently. Add the seasoned acorn jelly into the vegetables and mix them gently. Since both the acorn jelly and vegetables are fragile, it is important to mix them gently. Sprinkle some extra sesame seed on top before serving. You can also pour some sauce over the plain acorn jelly and serve that as a side dish for a meal or a lunchbox. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!